Can you say mama, mama? No, no. No, no. Annette, no, no. No, no. No, no. No, no. No, no. Did you find a book? Did you find a book? Do you want to read a book? Are you coming to Mama to bring the book? Yeah, it's a story about a butterfly. Come here. Happy butterfly. Little butterfly. One day soon I will be bigger than this leaf and free. One day soon I will go floating on the winds that blow. Although I'm small and eat all day, one day soon I'll fly away. One day soon I'll make my bed hanging from a silken thread. And dream of wings in air and sky. One day I'll be... Oh. What's she gonna be? What's she gonna be? A butterfly! Butterfly's gonna get you. Gonna get you. Gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Oh! Back in she goes. Bye-bye, Annette. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.